baby, you stole my heart with your jumper. Kangaroos wearing shoes, trying to run from the hunters. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to play Bad Luck by Boywithuke on the ukulele, obviously. Roll the intro. Alright, let's learn how to play Bad Luck by Boywithuke. This song has 4 chords in it, and in the verse and the chorus, it is the exact same way. It is A flat minor, G flat, E, and B. And then once we get to the pre-chorus, it's gonna be E, B, A flat minor, G flat. So it's all the same chords, but it just twists them up in the pre-chorus. So let's go ahead and get to the verse and the chorus, and yeah, we're gonna learn this song. All right, so in the verse and the chorus, all the chords are exactly the same. It is the pattern A flat minor, G flat, E, and B. All the chords are gonna be right here, but let's go ahead and run through them. The first chord is A flat minor. How I play this one is I bar the 2nd fret, put my middle finger on the 2nd string 1st fret right there. Then I put my ring finger on the top string 3rd fret, and then my pinky on the 3rd string 3rd fret. Kind of weird shape like that, but it sounds like this. The next chord is a G flat, so what you want to do is slide this finger up to bar the 1st fret, put your middle finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and put your ring finger on the top string 3rd fret. The chord after that is an E. I like to play it this way, which is barring the 2nd fret and then barring these top 3 strings with the top of my finger. But you could also play it this way if this E is better for you. Sounds exactly the same. So this one would be your pointer finger, top string, middle finger, bottom string, 2nd fret, and then your pinky on the 2nd string, 4th fret. And then the last and final chord, which is why I like to bar this on the E, is a B. So what you want to do is bar this 2nd fret again, put your middle finger on the 2nd string 1st fret past the bar, and then your ring finger on the top string 2nd fret past the bar. And that is all the chords for the chorus and the verse. And that is the exact order they go. A flat minor, G flat, E, and B. Now let's get to the picking pattern. Okay, so the picking pattern for this song is kind of awkward until you get the hang of it, but once you get the hang of it, it gets pretty simple. You just gotta build the muscle memory in your fingers. What he does is, you know that claw thing that he does in all the songs where he plucks all the strings? Think of it like that, but only do the top string, the 3rd string, and the 4th string. So if I was playing the A flat minor, I would play these 3 strings and then pluck the 2nd one after. And you do that twice on each of the chords, so it'll sound like this. And that is what he does for the chorus and the verses. So now let's move on to the pre-chorus. All right, the pre-chorus is my favorite part, so that's probably the part we're gonna sing at the end of this video. But the order of chords for that one is the same 4 chords, but instead of starting at the A flat minor, we start at the E. So it's E, B, A flat minor, and then G flat. And then for this one, instead of doing that plucking pattern, you just strum down once. So that part's gonna sound like this with the E, then the B, A flat minor, and then G flat. That part sounds familiar to you guys? That's the part where he says, ooh, baby, you stole my heart with your jumper. And that is basically all you do for the pre-chorus, and then you get back to the chorus and go back to that plucking pattern. So yeah, let's go ahead and try to sing that song. It's fun. So I'm gonna sing the pre-chorus, but you know, let's just do it. Ooh, baby, you stole my heart with your jumper. Kangaroos wearing shoes, trying to run from the hunters. I don't know how you've been dealing with all of my crap. I hope I get to stay here with you. I'll take you on a trip. Aw shucks, my luck. I do not realize how much this could suck. I wish that I got through everything first, 'cause the further it goes, girl, the deeper it cuts. Well, I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Bad Luck by Boywithuke. It's a fairly easy song besides all the bar chords, but if you're getting the hang of bar chords, it's a pretty simple song. It's a little tricky on the finger picking, but it's kind of fun to learn a new finger picking pattern. So yeah, let me know if it helps, and let me know what other songs you guys want me to teach you. So yeah, and look forward to my next video next week. I'm going to be reacting to ukulele TikToks. So if you guys have any ukulele TikToks you want me to react to, tag me at JWilly in those TikToks, and I will save them for the next reaction video. See you guys later. A creature with two heads, sleeping in two beds. Is it sweet?